What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. Today we are doing a gaming test to the brand new Xiaomi Redmi 6A. Now I don't usually make these type of videos, but I was playing a couple of games to the phone earlier and I was quite surprised to see how well it performs for a phone that costs around $90. So this phone is using the Mediatek Helio A22, this is a brand new CPU, and this is a quad-core CPU clocked at 2 GHz, and I also have the version that has only 2 gigs of RAM. So for a quad-core CPU and 2 gigs of RAM, the phone performs really good for gaming. So in this video I'm gonna play PUBG, I'm also gonna play Asphalt Extreme, Modern Combat 5 and Real Racing 3. Now some of the games support a Bluetooth controller and I have a Xiaomi Bluetooth controller right here, so I'm gonna use that controller for the games that support it. The only one that doesn't actually support that is PUBG, so I guess PUBG I'll have to play with my hands. So I guess we can start with Asphalt Extreme, then we'll move to PUBG and so on. And as you've seen, the first game did really well. Here for PUBG we are gonna have to play with the minimum settings because the phone cannot handle anything higher, but on minimum settings you're gonna see that it does pretty good. So let's check it out. Alright, so we moved on to Real Racing 3. And as you've seen, PUBG did extremely well, mostly for a phone that costs about $90. And for Real Racing 3 it seems to do quite good as well. Alright, and the last game we are gonna try is Modern Combat 5, and for this one I'm using the Bluetooth controller once again. So far all the games did extremely good, mostly considering the price of the phone. So let's check this one out. And as you've seen, all games that we tried did extremely well, and I'm quite surprised to see that a $90 phone can actually play all those games. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, press that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.